last time you did not get to see this locomotive. Now where it runs. This is J. Ferguson. This thing does not have a number. And then we've got Caboose with a Ford symbol, yeah. And we've got a few people in this Caboose, yeah. Yeah, just 3 people. Or 6, I don't know. We've got lots of people in this car. Yeah, you can see it. Then we've got plastic pieces of track. And then we've got the basic main idea with the remote. Yeah, I've had it for a long time. You can see the reflection off of my camera, which is black. This actually is really cool. Let's get the basic piece of tracks running. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe this because I want you to. Yeah, I'm really good at playing with these. And yeah, it's really basic. Yeah, it's really basic for the main idea. No, we don't want a screensaver. This is what the bottom of the track looks like. Yeah, the basic main idea about the track. Yeah, it's like it can go millions of feet high. Yeah, so this is how long. So what we're going to do is we're going to snap these pieces together. The lights on this, and this thing has lights and sound effects for the basic. I do much videos. This is the first time. This is for the basic main idea. Just like. Yeah, it's like. We'll find out how high it goes. This is already taller than that, and it took so many spaces. So we've got that, which is mega tall. Now I need to stand up or compare it to the tree. Oh, God, this is tall. If it's 13 feet of track, this has to be. This thing has to be. This. God, this is taking minutes. This is how you do it. You just take pieces of track and then you like snap it together. It might take me a long time to finish this track. It took me last time I used this, it was really nice and easy. Let's compare the classics of the roller coaster. So yeah, we've got that. Actually, it's very indeed fast. Yeah, we have seen screensaver. Yeah. So you just take a piece and snap it together. Yeah, it will take you a very long time to finish. Yeah, I'm gonna make it as long as it's. If I never find it. Let me shut down. Alright guys, so since we don't have very much time yet, this is why we won't get the test out soon, because we want to get tested out, but time is flying by. No, we had 3. Then we got this extra steak. Yeah, so let's get into the basic tones. It's the same. We have too many. We need to pause it. Now would be a good time to pause the video if you want. Yeah, 6 minutes. Soon it'll be 7.